So today we're diving into this idea of whether doing Udemy is actually worth it, you know? I mean, think about it. Someone made 13 courses and they're pulling in like 200 to 300 bucks a month.
Yeah, exactly. Right. That passive income stream can be a cool bonus, but there's a lot more to it than just earning a bit here and there, huh?
Absolutely. The whole conversation revolves around what you're aiming for. Like if you're using Udemy as a way to build a portfolio, it's really powerful. You can showcase your expertise, which could open doors for higher paying gigs or even consulting opportunities.
hmm And then there's the idea of lead generation, right? Using your courses as a funnel to offer premium content or coaching. That sounds, well, like a smart strategy to me.
Exactly. And let's not forget, it's like scaling. If you optimize your marketing efforts and expand your course library, you could watch your earnings jump up. Some top instructors even rake in thousands a month.
Yep. But here's a thought. If you're spending a ton of time creating content and there's not a robust strategy in place, then the time versus earnings issue really hits hard, doesn't it?
Right, that's the other side of the coin. The standpoints where Udemy might not be worth it include that significant investment of time with a minimal return in some cases. Plus, you're kind of at the mercy of the platform. You have no full control over pricing or visibility.
hmm I get it. So, would you say that if someone is deeply strategic, like blending market research with um, promotional efforts and even upselling advanced courses, the platform can work really well for them?
Exactly, yeah. If you're doing market research to find those high demand, low competition topics and you bundle courses or cross promote with other influencers, then it's like you're really leveraging it as a side project or
Absolutely.
even more.
It almost seems like Udemy is more of a launch pad than a complete income solution on its own. You have to drive additional strategy.
Totally. It's a tool in your toolbox. Use it for skill development, portfolio building, and passive income, but know that it might need some extra muscle, like marketing and strategic improvements, to truly ramp up the returns.
Yeah, for sure. So, if you're serious about growing your side hustle on Udemy, invest in both course creation and solid marketing tactics. It's not an overnight success, but it's definitely worth exploring.